Welcome to snowx.shop. To buy a prepaid card with funds, create or log into your existing account and head on to Prepaid and Digital Cards. Choose Visa or MasterCard and select the amount and balance of the card you want. They come in several pieces of $2,000 balance each. I selected 5 pieces for $2,000 each. Confirm your selection and type of card, and click on Add to Cart. Go to the cart and click on Checkout. Pay with any USDT of your choice, depending on the network. Complete your order and make a transfer of the indicated amount to the displayed USDT address. You will get an email notification when you place an order and when your payment is confirmed. Until your payment is verified, you will get order delivery confirmations and your download will be ready. Go to order details and download your file. Open an Extracto on your device. Open the text file and you will get all your prepaid cards there. When using the prepaid cards, take note of the balance left so you know how much to charge on your next order.